It's time for a struggle challenge. Let's see what you got for me today. I'm looking for appetizer ideas for our anniversary dinner. I'm cooking for my partner at home, but I want it to feel like we're going out for a special occasion, not eating chips and dips or a basic cheese or veggie platter. At a loss, need some inspiration. Man, this is like the perfect question for this episode. I think a great appetizer is probably seafood. That's gonna make it feel a little more special. You could do shrimp with cocktail sauce. You can do oysters. You could do baked clams with some breadcrumbs and parsley. You could do calamari grilled. You could do calamari fried. Let's see what we've got to work with. Okay, this is great. Calamari, beautiful. Calamari is a really affordable seafood, and it definitely feels special because people don't often make it at home, but they should because it's simple. So let's do it. Fried calamari. I think that's the move. So we need a coating for this. I've always been a fan of just flour and spices. Really, really simple. Flour, paprika, maybe a little onion powder in there. I'm gonna go with some salt and pepper. Marinara sauce. Crushed tomatoes. Maybe we'll take a little tomato paste. Garlic. Don't know if I need tomato paste yet. We're gonna see. We're gonna start with the marinara sauce because it's nice when it simmers for a couple minutes. Here we go. So I got some garlic here. I'm just gonna crush it. Pan. We're gonna heat it up a little bit and let's just run our knife in no particular way through this garlic. Chop it up. Olive oil into the pan. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna throw this garlic right in that oil. Basically, you wanna fry the oil gently. If you angle the pan, it's perfect. Hit it with salt right here. Season that. Beautiful. You want an extra spicy marinara? You put some red pepper flakes right in this fry oil. That's gonna wake it up. I just wanna see the first hint of golden. Once I see the golden, we stop. So here we go, tomatoes in. This is gonna lower the pan temperature. This is gonna prevent the garlic from burning. So we'll just put this on low and simmer it out. Let's quickly make our calamari coating, okay? We come in with some flour. We're gonna hit it with paprika, onion powder, black pepper, and salt. Struggle whisk this up right here. All right, so that's simple. It's effectively just flour with some spices. So here's calamari. It's affordable. It is a squid. And these have been semi-prepped. So it's simple. You lay it flat and you just guillotine the knife through. Whatever thickness you pick now, you're gonna have to maintain, okay? So you can take those out and go like that. So it's easy to find frozen breaded calamari in any supermarket, and all you really have to do is heat it back up. But you could also go to the fish counter and just see if they have calamari. When they do, it's affordable, it's not a lot of prep, and it's extra special. Now for the breading. So check this out. Turn the bag on itself a little bit so we don't dirty up the zip part. Take some calamari. Let's take half now. Beautiful. Take some of our flour mixture. What we do is zip this up. Come over here, give this a little bit of air. And so now we can shake this around. It's like a pillow of love. Look at that. Perfect. Gorgeous. Here we go. Nice and easy, small batches, and never fill your oil really more than like slightly more than halfway because this can really bubble up. That is right at the limit. Let's do the next batch. Flour. Here we go. Calamari out. Listen, if it's been in there for 6 minutes, definitely taste it. Let's go in with the rest of them. This needs a little bit of salt, just like you're doing French fries. You can toss, toss, toss. Next batch is ready. Right into your salty bowl, okay? All right, so you can mix that up. We got our calamari. Great, let's put it in a bowl. Calamari coming in, nice and hot. Beautiful. Let's get some marinara. I like a lot of sauce. Boom. We need to pop a green. How about some parsley? I'm just gonna hit it with some scissors here. There is just one more thing. Squeeze a lemon. I like to go on the side here because it gives you a seed-free lemon that you can put right there. All right, there it is. You know, this is a humble dish. I think it looks really pretty. If you order it at a restaurant, this is how you want it to come out, in my opinion. It's a 10. Look at that. Come on. So let's give it a taste. What do you say? Still crispy. Hit it with a little bit of lemon. gonna go right into our marinara. There it is, steaming hot. You can see the heat coming off of it. Salty, delicious, I can't wait, let's go. Super duper good. Perfectly seasoned, crispy on the outside, but if I'm honest, it's like a little bit rubbery. So I didn't cook it perfectly. So for that, it's a 9. But that's a 19, it's an A-. Don't be discouraged. This is still better than a lot of calamari that I've bought in restaurants, for sure. I know that you've got the ability to make this happen. Remember, we're trying to impress someone with an unexpected and loving appetizer, right? And a great meal to follow. This is that. So thank you for this challenge. I think this is a great way to start a special meal for a certain somebody.